Welcome to this 7-minute belly fat loss workout. Follow along with these 5 exercises to target your core, burn fat, and tone your abs. Let's get started. Do this exercise every day for a flat belly. First, we're starting with mountain climbers. Keep your hands beneath your shoulders and drive your knees toward your chest. Engage your core and keep a steady pace. Let's push through for 1 minute. Next, move into a side plank. Hold your body in a straight line with your elbow directly below your shoulder. Engage your obliques and hold for 30 seconds on each side. Feel the burn in your core. Now, let's hit the floor for bicycle crunches. Keep your elbows wide, bring your opposite elbow to the opposite knee, and twist your torso as you extend the other leg. Keep a steady rhythm for 1 minute. Now we're going into leg raises. Lie flat on your back with your legs straight. Slowly raise your legs up to a 90-degree angle and lower them back down without touching the floor. Keep your core engaged as you work those lower abs. Last but not least, let's finish strong with Russian twists. Sit with your feet flat on the floor and lean back slightly. Hold your hands together and twist your torso from side to side. Keep your core tight and keep twisting for 1 minute.